All right, so our next performer is going to be Anna, who is going to announce her piece.
Hi, I'll be playing the La La Land theme. Hello? Okay. Hello?
Yeah, all right.
I messed up. I'm sorry.
That's all right. Is that all you've planned to perform?
I can perform it better. I just messed up and lost my place.
All right. Just because it's performance seminar, I mean, it's the goal is pretty much you just want to do your best to kind of just work through it as best you can. So like when you make a mistake, just push through, keep going. But yeah, I mean, I think we got through a pretty good section, and that we can like definitely talk about. And I'm sure you'll be having another opportunity to perform it as well. So
Okay.
so that was Anna performing the Via Scotia theme from Lalaland. All right, so I'm going to start the poll, and we'll go from there. All right. And you guys can start filling that out. And then if you have any verbal feedback, you can raise your hand this time. Right. And then Matt, if you want to go ahead.
Okay. I thought it was very boring, and you don't have to, and don't say I have to restart because of that tells us that you made a mistake. If you hadn't done that, we wouldn't have known that you had made a mistake. And also, I think you should move the camera positioning so we can see your body movement.
Very poignant advice. Yeah. Does anyone else have any verbal feedback to give at all? All right, for the sake of time, I'll just move on. So yeah, so I have everyone's poll filled out, so I'll just wrap that up and share it with you. All right, so dynamics, you got 3 votes for 2, 1 vote for 3, 1 vote for 4. Yeah, definitely within the dynamics, there isn't really any dynamics written on the score. So, I mean, I think that's definitely an important part though. So just kind of incorporating your own dynamics. And especially there's lots of phrasing. If you like listen to the original piece, there's definitely a lot of various like dynamic ranges that it goes through as being played and recorded. So definitely incorporating that will be super important. Articulation, you got 1 vote for 2, 3 votes for 3, and 1 vote for 4. Yeah, in terms of articulation, I think it was pretty all right. There are a few sections though where it kind of went to like a weird staccato, like legato kind of thing. So especially with the harmonization lines and thirds. So I think definitely working to smooth those out will be really, really important. Balance. I didn't hear many balance issues. You got 1 vote for 2, 3 votes for 3, and 1 vote for 4. Overall, I think it was more a coordination issue than if anything. So just kind of working through that. I thought the balance was pretty all right. Phrasing, you got 2 votes for 2, 2 votes, oh, whoops, 2 votes for 2, 2 votes for 3, and 1 vote for 4. And yeah, I think just definitely because it was a draft and there was like a lot of stopping, starting, there wasn't much ability for phrasing overall in this piece. And then movement, we really couldn't see you, as Matt pointed out. So like making sure to change the camera positioning so we can see your entire body along with your hands. So you got 3 votes for 2 and 2 votes for 3, pretty much. Yeah. All right. And definitely with performance seminar, it's always a performance. So just generally, when you make a mistake, just keep moving on. Even if you get lost, like try to recollect. Doing a complete pause sometimes points out to us very clearly that, oh, I made a mistake. So it's okay to make mistakes, and that's always happened. It's very human. But just making sure to try your best to keep going. That's the ultimate thing with performance.